Ever wish you could turn a series of photos into a fun animation without extra apps? On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can make GIF right from the camera app. To do so, open camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon. Under picture section, tap swipe shutter button 2, and then select create GIF. Now go back to your camera and make sure you are in photo mode. To use the feature, just swipe down and hold the shutter button to let your phone take a quick series of shots and instantly save them as a GIF file in your gallery. So if you want to capture fun expression, silly moment, or quick action in a loop, set the shutter button to create GIF. It's super quick and ready to share. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.